Hello and welcome to another edition of MightyCast. I'm Sean Milligan and I'm joined today by James Croston, Senior Product Manager with Old World. James, thanks for being here.
Thanks, Sean. Nice seeing you again.
All right, great seeing you too. We are here to talk about some exciting new changes to the Mighty Wiper Blade program. And really, we want to start this off talking about, James, you and I have been working together for quite a while. We've been doing this category review for, the better part of a year. And we started out looking at our program, realizing where we had some opportunities to make some changes and improvements, and then really contacted a number of different potential suppliers and ultimately whittled it down and made the decision that Old World was the right supplier to partner with, really because of a number of things, because of the support that you had for us, because of the cataloging, the coverage that Old World has, probably most importantly because of the quality, and also because, frankly, the price as well was kept us competitive and where we need to be. But let's start by taking a look at where the program was, and then we'll talk about where we're going. So our current program today, we've got really two lines. We've got our Tech Select program, Tech Select brand, and we've got our StormGuard brand. We do have a lot of duplicate coverage, and as we started digging into this, and we've seen this happening for a number of years, but it really happened quickly over the last couple of years, where we have seen a huge migration from StormGuard, which was our original program, and was more of an OWI fit program, into our Tech Select, which is an aftermarket type of program where it is a one-size-fits-all. So we saw that transition where over 90% of our volume is actually in the Tech Select program today, and realized we probably don't need two brands. We've got duplication where we don't need it, and we could better service our customers with a single brand of wiper blades under the Mighty private label. So really felt like that was an opportunity for us going forward. So what the program is going to look like in the future is we are actually consolidating into a single StormGuard branded program. But the program is actually going to look a lot more like the Tech Select program did in the past, where it is going to be an aftermarket, one-size-fits-all universal fit. We're going to do a sell-through and supersede reorder to the new StormGuard brand. So the traditional SGs and TSs will reorder to the new SGs. In this case, the SGs are going to have the same part numbering as the current ones. The SGAs are going to have a little bit different part numbering because for the current SGA line, it's got a 4 series, a 5 series, and a 6 series, as well as we've got the TSA line. All those are going to reorder to a single SGA line, which is just going to be an SGA and then the length of the blade. So very similar to the Tech Select program, but higher quality and very competitive pricing to where we've been with TSA as well. So improved quality on that line, improved coverage, but we'll kind of stay where we are. So we're excited about that and simplifying the program, making it a better program going forward. So let's talk about the new StormGuard wiper blades.
Sure, thanks, Sean. I mean, I think you're right. I mean, we really wanted to consolidate the two brands into one, make it more of a universal program, and dramatically expand coverage for both the beam section as far as rears as well. So to kind of give you an overview, we're still stocking the 4 style of blades you need: a beam blade, a hybrid blade, the conventional blade, and a rear, right? The beam blade, as we talked about, we're going to have one part number that covers the 4 series, the 5 series, 6 series, as well as 3 or 4 different wiper arm types you currently don't have coverage in, right? The hybrid blade gives you that OE look that gives you the same type of blade that came off your import car, like a Toyota or a Nissan, like that. It's got built-in spoilers to make it stay on the windshield. And a conventional blade, even though it only has maybe 75% coverage, because there's probably a half a dozen cars that come OE with it now, it's still, 75% of 290 million vehicles. There's still a lot of conventional blades that have hooks that you want to be able to sell at a reasonable price, right? Yeah. And then the rear program, it's going to give you 360 degrees of visibility. You want Mighty to be able to sell a blade for the front and one for the rear as well. And we're going to give you the same style blade that came off the vehicle, that came on it, regardless it's a beam blade, a plastic integral, or a conventional blade on the rear.
And we're going to differentiate by the suffix at the end of the part.
Yeah, that's right. That's a very good point. So we might have 2 different 12-inch blades in the rear program, but if the part number ends with a B, it's a 12-inch beam. If it ends with a C, it's a 12-inch conventional and such like that. So it makes it easier for your people to pick the style of blade that they would need to do.
All right. So a little bit more about the program then.
So if you want to, talk about the program benefits, one of the best things we talked about is increasing coverage, right? The current 2 lines of beam blades that Mighty sells probably has about 85% coverage, whereas the new line is going to have like 97 or 98% coverage because, once again, we're giving you coverage for all these new arm types that have come out in the last few years that become very popular, so you don't have to miss a sale. We're also going to dramatically increase the coverage on rear, probably taking Mighty from 80% coverage to like 95 or 96.
In order for the Mighty customers to get that coverage today, we've got to go to a separate assortment to get additional adapters.
Right,
We
exactly.
don't have to do that.
No,
going
all the
forward.
adapters are in all these 4 different blade styles. All the adapters are included. You
Right.
don't have to buy one separately or anything like that, right? And what the other things is by consolidating, we're helping you reduce inventory, and your people don't have to stock 2 different 22-inch beam blades in 2 different styles, right? We're gonna give you one that has all the coverage in it. It's gonna reduce their holding cost. And then the other thing that we thought important too, Sean, was the packaging, right? We wanna make sure it has a good display on the planogram. You don't have to worry about the top tab cracking and blades falling, packages falling down, because we've able to beef that up. And I think the other thing that we've done is every single blade is going to be in a master pack of 5. So if someone wants a whole thing of 22-inch blades because they're the best sellers or 26, now they only have to buy 5 instead of 10, so the investment's wrong. But I think like I said, the overall thing is, we're consolidating, we're giving you more coverage, but we're maintaining that same OE quality. We didn't go to a lesser blade just to consolidate. We're giving you the same OE quality blade that you would get if your car was brand new. So I think those are probably the biggest takeaways or the advantages of the program.
Well, it's a lot of exciting changes going forward, and really feel like we're partnering with the right company. Old World has been around for quite a while, haven't you?
Yeah, that's right, Sean. I think it was our 51st, or actually I think this year might be our 52nd year. We're a company, family-owned business, second generation. It's a great company to work for. Obviously we have wiper blades, but in our visibility and safety division, we also have lighting and fluids. Mm-hmm. But Old World Industry, honestly, is probably known best for antifreeze and def and things like that we still sell. But we've been selling wiper blades for over 20-some years, and it's something that we just focus on as well.
Yeah, absolutely. And like I said before, it was the quality #1, and we did a lot of testing and comparisons and made sure that the quality we had going forward was exactly where we needed to be and as high as we could be. But also the support that Old World brings on the cataloging side and just the resource side has been very appreciated, and we're excited about the partnership moving forward and really excited to be growing the Mighty Wiper Blade program into the future.
Yeah, we are too. We appreciate everything again, Sean.
Thanks
Thank
again.
you. Yep.